Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the name tags in Star Wars Battlefront II. So if you want to take care of name tags and personalize it to your own preferences, then you have to open the options, move to the gameplay tab and scroll down a little bit. Here you can see a name tags. You can change it to the default, use without the outline or without the background. You can see only have an icon, only icon, or switch it off. You can see the view of HUD here, and it's changing while I choose different option. Choose the one you want to use. I use default because it suits to my preferences. That would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!